Discover the home of heavy-duty trucks, giant workhorses which have truly moved mountains in the mines of Africa and the quarries in America and Russia. Terex takes its name from the Latin word terra for earth and rex meaning king. These kings of the earth can put out more than 1,000 horsepower and haul heavy loads up to 100 metric tons over rough terrain. Reliability and durability are a must for Terex and their customers. Join us to see where these giants are manufactured at Terex Construction in the Motherwell facility near Glasgow, Scotland.
What is your role at Terex?
My name is Stephen Makalecki. I'm a rigid sub-assembly supervisor. I've been with Terex for 10 years.
And how did you come to hear about Loctite products?
Loctite is a world-renowned company and everybody in the manufacturing industry knows about Loctite.
Which Loctite products do you use on site?
We use 518, 7063, 648 and 245 products in our sub-assembly area.
What additional support was offered?
All the process engineers know that Jackie's only a phone call away or an email, and if need be, he can be on site within an hour.
My role is to look after the Terex manufacturing site in Motherwell, Scotland. My main responsibility is to be here day to day if needed, and when I'm on site I'm referred to as a man from Loctite. I'm here to assist and collaborate with new processes to enhance the Terex manufacturing and to improve Terex processes with Loctite products.
Let's have a look at the production line where the rear axle of these giants is produced. The axle which houses the differential is subjected to incredible loads. Working in close cooperation with Terex, Loctite engineers have managed to achieve a significant increase in the load-bearing capacity of the highly stressed gasket. After cleaning the flange with Loctite 76.3, indispensable for achieving optimum results, Loctite 518 is applied. A special dispensing roller, a custom-designed enhancement of the Loctite handgun, is used for the fast and easy application of the liquid sealing material. Note that we are talking about a 2-inch wide coat on a 3-foot diameter flange. Loctite 518 forms a uniform film covering the entire flange surface. This is important to ensure long-term reliable sealing performance. PTFE sealants will not meet these exacting requirements. The differential, which weighs more than half a ton, is assembled to the axle. 2 studs, locked with Loctite 648, allow the differential to be affixed quickly and easily. The studs must be able to withstand high loads in a very short time to help the engineers hold the differential safely in place. "22 specially hardened fasteners hold the key assembly of the drive system safely in place for many years to come. Terex and Loctite have run numerous tests to develop a reliable solution. The result? Loctite 648 is definitely the strongest thread locking option for this cast steel threaded assembly, working without any complaints since its implementation 2.5 years ago. Finally, the monster truck's giant brakes are assembled. The brakes will have to deal with up to 100 tons of weight. On-site support and best practice advice on Loctite high-performance adhesives and sealants provide reliable assembly solutions. This helps engineers and mechanics create masterpieces such as these kings of the earth, the giant trucks from Terex.